出击！小队集合，任务艰巨，你们要做好准备。
作为一款军事写实的射击游戏，《三角洲行动》具备了丰富的世界观和战斗场景。在游戏中，我们希望通过声音，能够让玩家感受到多元文化的交融和高昂爽快的战斗体验。
我们非常有幸去请到海外的专业团队，进行了一次真枪实录。根据我们对枪声的设计思路，我们和海外专家 Rick 以及华纳的合作伙伴一起制定了详细的录音计划。
Over the span of the last 2 weeks, we've been in 3 different locations. We were at the Twin Pines Ranch, where we recorded a bunch of gun tales and very interesting locations. We were able to record near this canyon that had some incredible gun tales. We recorded interiors too, where we got big rooms and small rooms. And then our second location was actually at the Warner Brothers lot, where we recorded fully. We recorded magazines going in and out of the guns, we recorded bolts, we recorded all the mechanical parts as well of the guns. And then this here in Bakersfield, Five Dogs Ranch is our third location. Like I said, we're here to record more of the close-up perspective. When we got tails last week, this time we're more in getting the close-up because our game is first-person perspective. We want to get that close in, like around all microphones all around and on the gun, get that kind of experience like it's the 1B player.
不过，枪声并不是录制好就可以直接放进游戏的。其实，枪声录好后，就像是一些做菜的素材，还需要通过后期加工才能成为能端上桌的菜。这一部分由我们和参与过众多3A 游戏枪声制作的 Molyneux 工作室合作完成。
Delta Force is an amazing project. It gives us the opportunity to really make unique weapons using original source. And there's plenty of games out there that their weapons are great, but they sound very, very similar. We've tried to put a bit of realism into them whilst keeping them very hyped. It's been a really enjoyable experience. We very rarely ever use anything that's library content, and this is a classic example of that. It's original content designed for original weapons. But I really do believe that if you close your eyes, you could clearly tell that this particular title is different from the rest.
除了枪声之外，我们还录制了各种各样自然界的风声、水声、动物叫声，还有士兵们在战场上大声喊叫的氛围等等。这些真实采录的声音，共同构成了鲜活的阿萨拉事件。
一定要有那个气势，战前动员大会。
掩护！要狙击手！掩护！继续进攻！给我干掉他！掩护！后来！给我进攻！小队来了！
对于射击游戏来说，声音很重要的点在于它可以提供更多的信息，辅助玩家做出正确的战术判断，也就是我们常说的听声辨位。我们除了为这个体系打造了最基础的方位和距离辨识的体验，也和音频的同学一起设计了一套基于深度学习的声音衍射和透射系统。这套系统最核心的作用就是进行信息的过滤，它会基于真实声音的空间传播原理，就让玩家可以过滤出更重要的或者包含更多威胁信息的声音，同时它也可以极大的增强我们游戏里声音的真实感，从而提升玩家的沉浸度。
这套衍射系统充分考虑了场景遮挡、传播距离等多种因素对声音的影响。例如，当敌人位于房间内部时，玩家在房间外所听到的声音会因为房门的开关状态而产生明显的差异。这条绿线就是在模拟声音的传播路径，并实时产生效果。此外，我们非常重视玩家的反馈。在之前的测试中，许多玩家提出希望能够通过声音区分敌人来自楼上或是楼下。我们认为这一点非常重要，因此进行了针对性的优化。对于楼上的脚步声，我们加入了楼板震动声；而对于楼下传来的脚步声，则增强了楼下空间的混响效果。为了进一步优化听声辨位，我们和杜比实验室合作进行了精细的调教，无论是敌人的脚步声、枪声还是其他环境声，都能确保玩家更加清晰地感知他们的方位。 我们在游戏的声音设置里还增加了一个开关，供玩家自己选择是否启用杜比全景声。我们这样做的目的是为了让每位玩家都能够根据自己的喜好和设备性能来调整听觉体验。
这场胜负比纪录片还没悬念。
大厅的音乐其实就是世界观的缩影。我们希望有异域的风情，也要有势力的冲突。最重要的是，高光时刻需要激情呈现。而我们这一次邀请到的优秀作曲家 Zio， 将这些设计和情感完美地融入到了音符当中。
전체적으로 게임의 세계관을 음악적으로 잘 표현할 수 있겠다는 기대감이 컸는데 특히 2035년에 전쟁으로 파괴된 가상세계라는 어떤 디스토피아적 배경과 아트 디자인이 인상적이었고 멜로디의 아이디어나 혹은 악기 디자인은 처음 브리핑에서 받은 방향성과 게임 델타 포스의 분위기에서 많은 영감을 받았는데 첫 번째는 오케스트라와 전자음을 조합한 점이고 두 번째는 카만체라는 악기의 사용입니다. 카만체의 소리는 게임의 전투와 생존을 그리며 어두운 사막 한가운데에서 울려 퍼지는 듯한 느낌을 줬습니다. 게임에 더욱 몰입할 수 있게 해주는 중요한 요소라고 생각을 했습니다. 솔로 보컬과 카만체는 게임의 서사를 담았고 이후 이어지는 오케스트라는 게임의 액션과 전투 장면을 더욱 생생하게 담아내서 플레이어들이 느끼는 어떤 스릴과 긴장감을 극대화했습니다.
全面战场模式的音乐会更加刺激爽快。我们希望通过音乐助推玩家在战场中的心流。随着游戏进入不同阶段，尤其是越来越靠近尾声，音乐会有越多的变化。我们还特地邀请了前战地系列的作曲家尤汉来为我们创作。
My involvement in this game is that I've written theme music and some game music and like combat music and some ambiences for this game, and it's been a trip. It's been really fun. And so we started to, just as we did in Battlefield, we started to record ethnic instruments and drums and rhythms and different things that would match this world that they've laid out for Delta Force. Another thing that I think is similar is that I always try to get into the emotional sides of games. And it doesn't always have to be like, rhythmical, pushing music, but it can also be emotional themes or beautiful things that could depict sadness or loneliness or,
我想大家对《黑鹰坠落》电影中的经典音乐都有一定的印象吧。接下来我们就会在战役模式里带给大家《黑鹰坠落》专属的音乐。除了致敬经典之外，也会探索一些全新的可能。
希望大家能喜欢我们以上的声音创作，我们会持续努力为大家带来更卓越的游戏体验。如果你对游戏的声音有什么意见和建议，请在本视频下方给我们留言，谢谢。